So I was a firefighter for 28 years, very physical work at times, and I had extreme lower back pain. It was hard for me to get in and out of my vehicle. It was hard for me to bend over and tie my shoes. It was hard for me to make a left-hand turn with my body. My name is Pat, and I'm from Green Bay. Basically, everything actually that required physical activity. My wife and I like to garden. I couldn't do much of that. Landscaping, I couldn't do that. As far as my recreational pastimes, I love to fish. I couldn't even get in and out of my boat. So basically, I was not in a good place. I couldn't do what I love to do, which is being out in the outdoors. And my wife, who is a little smarter than I am, and she came here and she got some relief. And so she basically said, hey, I can see you're going through a lot of pain. Come with me and see Dr. Jackson. And so that's why I came. I did not want to go through back surgery, and I wanted to explore any option open to me. Dr. Jackson is a very compassionate, caring person, and he couldn't promise me 100% that I would be back to normal. But he said, I'm fairly certain that you'll be able to do some of the activities that you like to do. He was spot on. But more than that, I can do anything that I could 25, 30 years ago when I was on the fire department. So it's all good. As far as the laser therapy, there's no pain involved at all. It's just a warming sensation in your lower back. When I first came in here, I had extreme pain in that lower back. It prevented me from doing things that I love to do. Among them are fishing and hunting and other outdoor activities, as well as help around the yard as far as the heavy lifting of the materials that go into our landscaping. So it was extremely painful, that lower back, before I came here. All my expectations were met. I mean, I came in with an open mind here. I thought, this might work, this might not work, but I'll give it a shot. I am so glad I came in, so glad. Because again, I can do everything that I want to do. How much better can that be? I would say that if you're suffering from lower back and you're contemplating surgery, I would say that would be the last resort. Come and see Midwest Pain Solutions, and quite possibly Dr. Drake can do the same for you as he did for me.